we are at the end of the session, especially with respect to the 5 days FDP program on design and development of electric vehicle. A program can be successful only when the receiving end is very cooperative in nature. On this aspect, the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Francis Xavier Engineering College is really blessed to get such a wonderful, enthusiastic and participatory nature from the participants. So I would like to call upon Professor Dr. T. Ram Mohan sir of Karpaham College of Engineering, as sir has provided a willingness to provide feedback in this session. Is Dr. T. Ram Mohan sir is present here? If then, sir, you can unmute and you can provide your valuable feedback, sir. I hope sir might be engaged in some other work. And another person who voluntarily provided yes for providing the feedback here is Mr. Ansari. He is a research scholar in IIT Madras. If Mr. Ansari sir is present here, you can come forward and provide your feedback. Okay, I think two of the members, those who have provided voluntarily to provide feedback, were not here. It may be due to some other administrative reasons, I think so. The participants, those who are here, who have joined presently in this session, if you are ready to provide your feedback, it is most welcome. And it will be taken in a positive note to upgrade ourselves from the flaws, if anything, that we have met out here. So let me wait for a few seconds. You can unmute and you can have a feedback. Please, you can go ahead. I think someone have unmuted.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
Sir, is this audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. This is Marudhu Pandi, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Government College of Technology, Coimbatore, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I attended this FDP. It was very useful. I must congratulate the organizer. Okay, for having organized a very good FDP in this pandemic situation. They have invited the resource persons from various institutions and industry who are all doing active research in their area. Okay, so this FDP would be very much useful to my scholar who are doing the research work as well as project in the area of electrical vehicle, and it paved the way for some interdisciplinary research. That is electrical vehicle design, chassis design, power electronic converter design, motor selection. That and all very useful for me to guide my students in their research work. So really, I make this opportunity to thank the organizer, especially Nidhi Manikam sir and the management principal for the great opportunity rendered to me to attend this FDP. Hats up to the team, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Really, we are very happy to hear feedback from the participants, because that motivates us to keep on going ahead in planning other activities in the forthcoming. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Please come forward, sir.
Sir, myself, Dr. J.P. Sharma, and I attend your FDP, and all the speakers, actually they deliberated all the knowledge, which is very useful and slightly differ from the academics. But I want to give one suggestions for you, because one session regarding the mathematics kind of the sessions, and that was actually entitled on that modeling and something. Okay. And in that session, what I find that the speaker is deviated from the title, which was decided slightly. So that makes slightly uncomfortable for me.
Okay,
So
sir. We will rectify those things. Sir.
sure, sir. And rest of things are fine and good.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
If anyone interested to provide their feedback, you are most welcome. And all your suggestions will be taken into consideration, and this will motivate us to improve better in forthcoming events.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Audible,
please.
sir?
You are audible, sir.
Hello, sir. I'm Pramod Verma.
Share your feedback.
Yes, sir. I'm actually pursuing MTech from IIT Hyderabad,
Nice.
Energy Science and Technology. So good afternoon, dear sir and my colleagues. First of all, I would like to thank Francis Xavier Engineering College for organizing such wonderful workshop, and mentors as well that have participated to enlightenment to more on the field of design and development of electric vehicles. As Atal program is really good initiative for the development of faculty and students as well. It was very wonderful and excellent sessions for me, at least that increases my knowledge domain more in the field of electric vehicles and various aspects related to it. And apart from that, there are so many new terms that I have came across during the session that actually increases my knowledge potential. So a very big thank you for it. So that's all from my side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So from the team, we would like to represent that only one session that has been planned with the resource person who is a vice chancellor was not carried out because of his administrative reasons. So that had been compensated today with our internal faculty. So in future, such things we will try to make it avoidable, because that was an unfortunate event. Otherwise, I think all the activities, all the sessions planned were intact and it was kept in time. Similarly, as suggestions was made that the deviation from the topic will not be kept in future events.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am. Please give your valuable feedback, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir. A long-time aged people sacrificed with their sleep, family, food, laughter, and other joy of the life called saint. Nowadays, they were called engineer. Good afternoon to one and all present here through the online mode. I am Sebasti Rani, working as Associate Professor in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. First of all, I congrats for the organizing team of the Mechanical Department of Francis Xavier Engineering College, Tirunelveli. Sir, all the sessions were organized in very good manner. You are invited eminent experts from reputed institution and industry, and the time management is very nice. The FTP is very useful to guide my research scholar also. Once again, I convey my sincere thanks to Dr. Neethi Manikam sir and the organizing team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Dear participants, if any more to give suggestions or feedback, it is well and good, or we can come to a conclusion. So once this session ends, automatically you are requested to give your feedback in the Atal website, and after completion of that, sharply by 3:30 p.m. your online test will be starting, and the link will be posted in the WhatsApp group, and you can get into the link and you can provide your answers to the questions, and then everything ends, and the certificates will be generated and it will be issued through your registered mail ID. In case of any kind of clarifications or queries, you can make use of the WhatsApp group, and it will be kept active, and every queries will be clarified then and there. And we really thank all the participants who have enthusiastically participated in the 5 days FDP and who cooperated well, and you have supported much in a very good manner, so that we are motivated highly to go ahead with in future events. Thank you so much, and we will end up this session and we request you to provide your feedback on Atal website. Thank you so much. Have a great week.